Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the column that contains the extra number so you can act quickly. Once done, sample a few cells and note whether the extra digits are leading, trailing, or mixed. That determines the approach. Make sure to pick a method. Use a formula when patterns are consistent, find and replace for identical characters, or flash fill for examples. You'll now begin the first actionable step. Create a helper column and prepare to enter a single formula to strip the unwanted digits. You'll now apply the core transformation. If the extra number is at a fixed position, use left, right, or MID combined with LEN to extract the correct portion. For example, equals left, A2 len, A2 minus 1 removes one trailing digit. Once entered, drag the fill handle or double-click to copy the formula. Alternatively, type the desired result for the first cell and press Ctrl+E to invoke flash fill. Excel learns the pattern and completes the column. Finally, wrap value. If you need you finish by converting the helper results back into the original cells so everything is clean. Copy the helper column, then paste special values onto the source column to replace formulas with fixed numbers. After that, delete the helper column and scan a few random rows to confirm accuracy. If you notice mismatches, make sure you didn't miss inconsistent patterns. When patterns vary, switch to Power Query or craft a custom formula using find, len, and if to handle exceptions. This usually resolves edge case errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.